Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a rectangle and it has been divided into 4 small rectangles such that the area of this rectangle is 2 square unit. The area of this rectangle is 4 square unit. The area of this rectangle is 3 square unit. And we have to find the area of this fourth rectangle. Consider the width of this rectangle is A. So this length consider as A, and the length of this rectangle consider as B. So this length is B unit. So the area of this rectangle will be length times width, which is A times B. And we have given the area is 2 square unit. So we can write AB is equal to 2 because AB is the area of this rectangle because A times B, and we have given this as 2. So we can write AB is equal to 2. Consider this as equation number 1. Now, as the length of this rectangle is B unit and this length is same as this length, so the length of this rectangle will also be B unit. So this length will also be B. And consider the width of this rectangle as C. So consider this length as C unit. So the area of this rectangle will be B times C, and which is given as 4. So from here we can write B times C is equal to 4. Consider this as equation number 2. Now, as the width of this rectangle is A and this length is same as this length, so this will also be A unit. And consider the length of this rectangle as D. So this length, this will be D unit. So the area of this rectangle will be A times D, and which is given as 3. So we can write from here A times D is equal to this 3 unit. Consider this as equation number 3. Now in this rectangle, as this length is C, so this will also be C unit. And this length is D unit, so the length of this unknown rectangle will also be D. And if the area of this rectangle consider as A, then we can write A is equal to this C times D. C times D. We have to find the value of this A. Now, if we multiply equation 2 and equation 3 and divided by equation 1, we'll get equation 2 times equation 3 and divided it by equation 1. By doing this, we'll get from equation 2 B C times this AD and divided by equation 1, we'll get this AB is equal to this 4 times this 3 divided by, from equation 1, this is 2, or this A and this A will cancel out, and this B and this B will cancel out, and it will remain C times D, or C times D is equal to this 4 divided by this 2, it will remain 2, and this 2 times 3 is 6, and CD is equal to A. So the area of this unknown rectangle will be this 6 square unit, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.